Eric again, VicBaggers.com for segment 2 of the Bolt-On 26 kit for the 111 cubic inch Indians 2014 to 2018. We're going to go ahead and put our extended neck piece on today, which will be these 3 pieces, and then we're going to go ahead and put our tree on. So I've already went ahead and tapped the alignment pins into the bottom and the top section. As you can see, there's holes in these pieces here to align, and we've got our main shaft bolt here that we're going to go ahead and put in. So right now we'll move on over to the bike and we'll show you how this goes in. We're back at the bike here. It's a 2016 Indian Roadmaster. We're going to go ahead and start putting in our additional stretch neck piece here. So just to start off, we have went ahead and removed the lower bearing race. We tapped that out with a punch, as well as the roller bearing, sealed roller bearing in the top has been removed as well. So the first piece that will go in is the bottom segment. This is the piece that does not have threads in it. The center section is tapered like so, and you can align with the pins, and then we'll have to start tapping things together here with a rubber dead blow. We can also take our top piece. This is set to set inside where the original bearing set into place, and those two have alignment pins. And we will get this lined up and start tapping this thing together. Okay, we got things kind of lined up here a little bit, so now we're ready to start with our main shaft here to go up through. And again, the top piece is threaded, so we're going to start and we're going to tighten a little bit, and then we're going to tap a little bit, we're going to tighten a little bit and tap a little bit, keeping everything aligned throughout the process.